Money me. Money now. Me a money needing a lot now. Give me money.
So if you don't get it, basically my thought on OpenAI right now is that they have raised so much money, so much capital, right? That they basically need to generate revenue that approximates like the GDP of small countries at this point to try to see a return on the capital they've raised. And so their OpenAI is what OpenAI right now is focused on how do we monetize this thing, right? So they're talking about doing erotica now, or at least they're not ruling it out anymore. So this idea that people could build like sex bots or sex chat bots on top of their platform or in their platform, they're adding the ability to make purchases through their platform, right? So obviously we know the porn industry is like a multi-billion-dollar industry. We know people love to buy things, so OpenAI is going to provide people a way to buy things through their platform. That's a way to take a vig on a transaction. They're going to do the browser thing because they want your data, right? They want your data just like all the browsers of old have have wanted it, and they want your data because they want to do advertising. Um, so they're in a they. It's very clear that they are in a stage of their company now where it's less about we're on the cusp of introducing AGI and more about we're needing to figure out a way to make this financially viable. It 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 doesn't mean that I don't think that the browser is cool or interesting. It's just it's very clear that they are headed in a very particular direction. Like if you were really on the cusp of inventing AGI or introducing AGI, why the fuck would you care about worrying about having a app SDK or a Chat GPT Atlas or building sex bots, right? Like if you're really on the cusp of introducing something that's going to change humanity fundamentally, why all these projects? And so that's I think the reason is because they're actually pretty far away from creating AGI, and they know that in order to extend their runway on that work, they have to figure out a way to start making money.